in the infinite silent universe of the network. To be without an address is to be without a name, to be invisible, to be nothing. This is the story of a newcomer, a device who woke up lost, and how it learned to speak its own name. This was Lapto, brand new. Its circuits were buzzing with potential, ready to connect, to download, to be. But it had a fundamental problem. It had no identity. It knew it existed, but no one else did. To speak, it needed a source address. To be spoken to, it needed a destination. It had neither. So it did the only thing it could. With all its energy, it gathered its courage, and it shouted into the void. A broadcast, sent to everyone, and to no one at all. The cry did not go unanswered. On the far side of the subnet sat Sarge, the guardian of identities, the allocator, the DHCP server. While others ignored the plea, Sarge's purpose was to listen for just these kinds of calls. Sarge saw the lost device. It checked its great ledger of addresses, the DHCP pool, and found one that was available. It crafted a message, a proposal, and sent it back directly to Lapto. Lapto was ecstatic. An identity, a name. It eagerly accepted the offer. But it had to follow the ancient laws of the network. It sent another broadcast, announcing to all who might be listening, "I would like to take the name 192.168.1.104 offered by Sarge." Sarge heard the acceptance. It made the final binding entry in its records. The address was now officially leased. It sent one last message, the final handshake. And just like that, it was done. Lapto was no longer lost. It had a name. It had an identity. It could speak, and it could be spoken to. It was part of the network. This story, the story of Lapto and Sarge, is the DHCP DORA process. Discover when the client shouts for help. Offer when the server presents an address. Request when the client accepts. And acknowledge when the server confirms the lease. 4 simple steps that give birth to every connection. Every packet has a story. If you want to learn about the epic battles of firewalls, the political drama of spanning tree, or the global diplomacy of BGP, subscribe to the Network Narrator and join the journey.